Tired of your website visitors struggling to find what they need? Let's transform your Wix search from frustrating to fantastic in just a minute and a half. First, head over to your Wix dashboard if you haven't already. Install the Wix Search app from the Wix App Market. Just search for Wix Search and click Add to Site. Once installed, access the Search app settings here. You'll find options to configure your search parameters. This is where the magic happens. Define what exactly you want your site to search through: blog posts, product pages, services, or everything. Click on each relevant page type to include it in your search index. For example, if you sell products, make sure your product pages are selected. The more specific you are, the better the search results. Now, let's customize the search results page. You can tweak the layout, colors, and fonts to match your brand. Ensure the results are easy to read and visually appealing to keep users engaged. Optimize for relevant keywords. Think about what your users are typing into the search bar. Incorporate those keywords into your page titles, descriptions, and content. This will boost the relevance of your search results. For example, if you sell handmade jewelry, make sure the words handmade, jewelry, necklaces, and earrings are present in your product descriptions and titles. This helps the search engine connect those words to your website. Finally, test your new and improved search. Type in various keywords and see how the results appear. Make adjustments as needed to ensure the best possible user experience. Now you've optimized your Wix search and will lead your visitors to exactly what they need.